Here we come to the escalators at Macy's here at Seminole Towne Center in Sanford, Florida. There's the mall. Elevator's that way. And this is a Schindler escalator. Look up high in the sky. This store looks similar to the Macy's stores at Westville, Brandon, and Brandon, Florida, and at the Pembroke Lakes Mall in Pembroke Pines, Florida. There's the mall. And nice looking palm trees. This is a Schindler escalator. Here is the south entrance. Look at this atrium. This atrium is so nice. And there's a movie theater. The elevator's right there. It's a nice store. Here's a directory. This is a Schindler escalator. And this store used to be Burdines before becoming Macy's. Looks very Burdines style. Here's the west entrance. This is a Schindler escalator. That's it.